Welcome to our Nafini app tutorial. Today, we're diving into the private messaging feature, an essential tool for staying connected in our community. First, let's open Nafini and click on Messages at the bottom. Notice the pencil icon at the top, right? That's your gateway to starting new conversations. Need to find a specific chat? Use the search bar at the bottom. Your past conversations? They're all listed right here on this chat page. Now let's manage our chats. Swipe left on one of the conversations for options like More and Archive. Tapping More reveals further actions such as marking messages as unread, blocking or reporting a member, and deleting your messages or the entire conversation. To dive into a conversation, simply tap on it. In the conversation view, notice the three dots at the top right, another gateway to additional options. To view the member's profile, you can simply tap on their photo profile. At the bottom, there's a space to write your message. Need more room? Use the icon on the far right to expand the text box for longer messages. Below, you'll find icons to upload or attach photos, videos, documents, and even send GIFs, making your conversations lively and engaging. Once you're ready to send your message, simply tap the send icon to deliver your message instantly. That's your quick guide to mastering private messaging in Nafini. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Stay connected, happy messaging, and secure your success with a cherry on top.
Nafini selection.